Welcome back, children. So, in today's session, we will be discussing the back exercise of lesson 4 of English literature, that is The Four Friends. Alright? So, open page number 44 of your books. The very first topic is take the correct answers. Fine? So, read the first one. Which game did the four friends play? Hide and seek or hopscotch? Children, if you remember the story, the four jungle friends were playing hide and seek. Fine, so tick option A. The second one is, what was Daisy caught in? So, in which thing the Daisy, that is, the deer, was caught? In a net or in a cave? Yes, the Daisy was caught in a net. So tick option A. Third one is, who found Daisy? Mika or Coco? So who flew in the jungle in search of Daisy? Mika is the mouse and Coco is the crow. So who can fly? The crow. The name of the crow is Coco. So tick option B. Come to the last one, that is, who cut through the hunter's bag to save Toto? Mika or Daisy? Yes, the one who can cut the net should have sharp teeth, isn't it? So who had sharp teeth? Mika or Daisy? Mika. Mika is the mouse. Fine. So tick option A. Clear? Come to the B part. That is, who said this? Write their names on the blanks. So read the first one, that is, no, I can't hide so quickly. Yes, children, who said this? Who could not able to hide quickly? The tortoise. That means Toto. So write Toto in the first blank. Come to the second one, that is, how did you know I was hiding in the hole? Who said this? Who was that much small that he could hide in a hole? Crow, mouse, deer or tortoise? Yes, the mouse can hide in a hole. So the name of the mouse is Mika. So write Mika in the second blank. The third one is, hold on to my feathers, Mika. Yes, who had feathers? Crow, mouse, Daisy or tortoise? The crow, that is Coco. Coco had feathers. So write Coco in the third blank. Fourth one is, thank you for saving me, Mika. Yes. So who was saved? The deer. That means Daisy. So write Daisy in the fourth blank. Come to the last one, that is, if I can't have a deer, I will take home a tortoise. Who said this? Who came to catch the deer? The hunter. So write hunter in the fifth blank. Clear? Now come on page number 45. We will do part D. So what you have to do in this? There are few words written on word wall, like fast, past, last, male, pale, tail, hide, ride, glide. So these are kind of rhyming words. You have to match all this. Fine. So below this you are provided with one solved example. You have to match the rhyming words in the rest of the parts. So the one which is solved is like hide, glide, ride. In the same manner you have to do the rest of the parts. Like come to the second part, that is fast, past, last. Fine. The third one will be tail, pale, male. Is it clear? Just do it. Now come to the part E. So read the question. A group of deer is called a herd. Fill in the blanks with group names from the box. So children, you are given a help box in which few group names of different animals are given. Fine. So the first one is solved, that is a colony of ants. The group of ants is known as colony. Fine. The group name of ants is called a colony. Fine. Come to the next one, that is a dash of grapes. So what is a group of grapes called? It is called bunch. So write bunch in the second blank. It will be a bunch of grapes. Fine. Come to the third one, that is a dash of bees. What does a group of bees called? It is called a swarm. So it will be a swarm of bees, right? Fourth one is a dash of books. So what does a group of books called? A pile. So it will be like a pile of books. Fine. Fifth one is an dash of soldiers. So group of soldiers is known as army. So it will be an army of soldiers. Fine. Last one is a dash of sticks. What does a group of sticks called? A bundle. So you will write a bundle of sticks. Fine. Now come on part F. What you have to do in this? Make 6 words from the word friendship. Children, you have to form 6 words with the help of the letters written in the word friendship. Fine. First word is solved, that is fried. All these letters are taken from this word only, friendship. Fine. Second one we can make is fish. Next can be end. The fourth can be made ship. Fifth one can be sip. S-I-P, sip. The last one can be red. R-E-D, red. Fine. Now children, come to the next page. Children, no need to do the part G. Come on part H. Circle the correct words to describe the picture. Look at this picture carefully. Fine. In this, you have to circle the correct words to describe the picture. Read the first part. That is, Toto is, you are provided with 2 options. You have to choose the one which suits the picture. So, look at this picture. Toto is the tortoise. See, his eyes are closed. So, the correct option will be sleeping. Just put a tick on the second option, that is sleeping. Toto is sleeping. Now, read the second part, that is, look at Coco. He is sleeping or sitting on a branch. So, is Coco sleeping? No, he is sitting on the branch of the tree. So, tick the second option, that is sitting. Look at Coco. He is sitting on a branch. Read the third part. Do you see Mika? He is coming or hiding out of a hole. So, Mika is the mouse. So what is he doing? Look at the picture. He is coming out of the hole. So tick the first option, that is coming. See the last one, that is Daisy is talking or reading to Mika. So Daisy is the deer. So what is Daisy doing? Look from the picture. Daisy is talking to Mika. So tick the first option, that is talking. Fine. Now directly come on page number 48. No need to do anything on page number 47. Just come on page number 48. Fine. We will do part L. Fine. So read it. Do you do these before going to school? Number the sentences in the correct order. Write the sentences in your notebook. Fine. So in this, you have to number these sentences in the same order as you do before going to school. Okay. So read all the sentences first. I take a bath. I brush my teeth. I put my plate in the sink. I wake up early. I have my breakfast. I pack my bag. So number is given to you, that is I wake up early. First one is given to you. Fine. Now second will be I brush my teeth. Fine. After waking up, you brush your teeth. Fine. So the number 2 will be I brush my teeth. Put number 2 before this. Fine. Now after brushing, what do? You take a bath, right? So number 3 will be I take a bath. After this, you pack your bag. So number 4 will be I pack my bag. Then what do? You have your breakfast, right? So number 5 will be I have my breakfast. Then at last, which activity do you do? So number 6 will be I put my plate in the sink. After doing breakfast, you put your plate in the sink. Fine. So now come on part N. Titu and Ali always play together. These are two friends, Titu and Ali. Write 3 things you like to do with your friend. Fine. So children, read the first one. I like to dash with my friend. I like to study with my friend. 3 things you have to write which you do with your friend. I like to study with my friend. I like to play with my friend. I like to dance with my friend. Clear? So students, with this we are done with the back exercise of lesson 4. I hope you all understood. Thank you and God bless you.